Welcome everyone to Doga Yoga. My name is Melody and today we're doing a beautiful, super relaxing and quick relax and release class. So we're going to start on our backs today, get super comfy. I've actually got a pillow and a blanket handy. So if you want to grab that, if you want to grab some socks, if you want to grab a cup of tea, make yourself super cozy, do so. And we're going to roll on down. So I'm actually going to put the pillow underneath my knees and the blanket just underneath my head, just allow myself that little bit of elevation. So not a full pillow, but just that little bit. Just move the microphone quickly so I can get super comfy. Now relax here. You might have one hand on the chest, one hand on the belly. You might have the hands beside you. Just find a place of calm. Find a place of center. Notice all your thoughts running around you, above you. Visualize them running around in a stream. Might be flowing super fast, they might be slow. You might be thinking about a lot of things. Your river might be super wide, or it might be a specific topic. So your river might be super narrow. So just observe that. And bring yourself in to your body. Bring yourself into the ground, onto your mat. As your thoughts start to soften above you. Inhale, feel the belly, the ribs, the collarbones. And exhale, sink more deeply into the ground below. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Start to notice the soles of your feet, your heels connecting with your earth, the toes, the ankles. Observe what's going on there as you inhale. And exhale, start to ground down. Release any tension into the earth below. Bring your awareness to your calves, your knees, your kneecaps. Just take the time to focus on this area of the body. Notice what's going on. And exhale, ground them into the earth, onto your mat below. Bring your awareness to your thighs, your hamstrings, your hip flexors, your quadriceps. Just observe what's going on in these big, beautiful muscles of ours. And exhale, soften and ground into the earth below. Bring your awareness to your lower back, your hips, your glutes. Observe the connection to the earth. Any tension, niggles, differences side to side. And exhale, let go. Bring our awareness to our shoulder blades, our mid-back, our shoulders. Feel the connection with the earth and just notice if you're really holding tension there, or if they're just melting into the earth below. Inhale, fill up the belly. And exhale, just surrender and release. Bring your attention to your arms, your palms, your fingertips. Just notice the connection to the earth, the air, and your skin, any niggles, any differences side to side. And exhale. Let go. Bring your awareness to your neck, your scalp, your forehead. Observe on your inhale. And exhale, melt any last tension and ground firmly into the here and now, into the earth below. Bring your awareness to your forehead, your eyebrows, your eye sockets, your eyes. Notice the sensations there. And exhale, release. Soften and ground into the earth below. Bring your awareness to your cheeks, your jaw, your lips, your tongue. Observe. And exhale, soften and release. Inhale, bring your awareness to your throat and back to the rise and fall of your breath. Inhale, feel the belly, the ribs, the collarbones. And exhale, ground and release. You have arrived. Welcome to our class today. Welcome to the here and now. And this is the only place you need to be. Connecting with the earth, the present moment, the rise and fall of your breath. When we're ready, we'll gently bring to send the knees towards the ceiling, walk the feet in towards the hips. I'm going to pick up our pillow and I'm just going to place the pillow on our belly, on our chest, and just hug it. Bring the soles of the feet together and just let the knees flip out to the side. So just super relaxing, super nourishing, getting into the inner thighs and just grounding. Letting gravity take you further into the present moment, into yourself. Feel the belly, the ribs, the collarbones. And exhale, release. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Just start to soften and ground with each breath here. Noticing the sensations on your inhale. And exhale, letting go. Bringing yourself into the present moment with each breath. Bringing yourself into the body. Notice any sensations in the inner thighs, any differences side to side. Just get curious. Be gentle with your body and just let any tension melt away. When you're ready, place your hands on the outsides of your thighs. Super gently bring the knees in. You can keep your pillow here if this makes you feel super comfy, super sheltered. We're just going to send our right foot underneath our left ankle and we're reaching towards our left fingertips. So see if we can grab that right big toe with our left fingertips. And if not, just have the intention of sending it in that general direction, lowering our right knee to the earth. So we're keeping our hips on the ground, hips level. You'll feel a super gentle opening in that right hip flexor. So you can keep this right hand around the pillow or just have it laying next to you, whatever feels good. And just observe the sensations with the rise and fall of your breath. When you're ready, gently release that foot. Just bring it back to center. Place that right foot down. Just bring the knees together, the feet out wide slightly, and just really nourish the lower back here. Feel it connecting to the earth. You might hug your pillow again, or just have the arms beside the body. Tucking that tailbone slightly and releasing. When you're ready, walk the feet back into hip distance and those left toes towards the right hand. See if you can grab the big toe with your fingers and just send that knee down. Super gentle and releasing here. Relaxing and softening and grounding with each exhale. Bringing yourself back into the present moment with each breath. When you're ready, release that foot. Bring it back to center. So nice. We're super gently just going to cross the ankles here. And just use our hands to gently make our way up. Move your pillow or just keep it next to you. Up into a seated position. Now we're going to place our pillow in front of us and rock on over. Knees are wide, big toes together. We're coming into a child's pose here. So you might just want to come down naturally, or you might want to rest the head on the pillow. Just find what feels good for you. Having the arms extended out in front. Just soften and release. Inhale, feel the belly, the ribs, the collarbones. And exhale, let go. If you want some further nourishing from your hips and you find it's a bit hard to come into child's pose, you can actually get that blanket and stick it in between your calves and your hips to just really take some of the pressure off the knees here. Before walking yourself back down and just releasing. Relax the shoulder blades down the back and just gently soften and release with each breath. Ground down through all 5 fingertips. Feel all 5 toes touching with the earth. Inhale, rising, feeling the belly, the ribs, the collarbones. And exhale, softening any tension into the earth below. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Just come into a place of stillness and silence just to further your release. When you're ready, we'll gently make our way up. Super gently, just move our pillow towards the side. If you've got a blanket underneath or in between your calves and thighs, just move that to the side. We're going to cross our ankles and just rock on back into a seated position now. And we're going to have our legs in cross-legged, one in front of the other. And you might, I'll turn this way so you can see me, grab a blanket to stick under your tailbone or even a block if you need to be a little bit higher. So just get comfy here. You might even put some sockies on and wrap a blanket around your shoulders. Find length here in the spine from the tailbone to the crown of the head. And exhale, we're just going to let gravity release us over our body. Walk our hands forward. We might be on a block. We might be on our forearms. We might just have the forehead touching the earth. Just be. Inhale. Ground. Inhale, feel the belly, the ribs, the collarbones.
and soften. With each breath, bringing ourselves back to the now, grounding ourselves in the present moment. Just creating space, creating softness and stillness. Allowing ourselves to truly relax and release in this class. Relax any tension in the jaw, the neck, the shoulders. Feel yourself just let any last tension melt into the earth below. When we're ready, gently walk our way up to center, super gently. And you guys know the drill. We're going to swap feet. So you might bring the back foot to the front. If you had one leg extended, swap them around. Take our time, super, super gentle. Find length here and fold. Just notice the difference side to side. Get curious with the rise and fall of your breath. Inhale, expand, notice the sensations. And exhale, soften and release. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Ground yourself into the present moment with each passing breath. When you're ready, gently lift the forehead, walk the hands back, find length. So nice. And we're just going to stay here to finish off the class today. So if you want to grab a pillow, put it in your lap and just have the hands on the pillow. You might have your hands on your knees. Just find what feels good. You might even just have the pillow into your chest and just gently hug it here. Or just find our place of stillness. Find our place of surrender and find our place of ease with the rise and fall of our breath. Inhale, feel the belly, the ribs, the collarbones. And exhale, let go. Inhale and exhale. Focus purely on your breath, purely on the here and now, softening and releasing and just allowing yourself to be on your mat. When we're ready, we'll gently open up our eyes. Take one big arm circle, super slowly, all together, up, overhead, fingertips touch. And bring your hands back to heart center. Sending you lots of love and gratitude, my beautiful yogis. Namaste.